All right, just finished the guest bedroom. Baseboards aren't up yet, as you can see. Looks pretty good. Looks like there's quite a bit of dust and debris floating in front of the camera. Here's the closet. This transition was a lot harder than it looks. Couple of slim cuts there. And here's the closet. Again, baseboards still need to be put up. Right here, I kind of had to put in a false wall. You can see there's two pieces under here. I had to put those pieces in. Well, there just wasn't any support right there, so I had to put those pieces in. And again, this transition was quite fun. That's it. Looks good.